Chalo sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys and welcome to oliveboard. So here we are again with the next practice set for SSC CGL 2025. Chalo sir, let's start. So practice set 7. So this is the 7th practice set. Arghamita, very good evening. Very good evening. And everyone, very good evening. I hope I'm audible, visible correctly. Everything is okay. So if you have any problem, please do let me know. Please do let me know about that. Okay, sir? Chalo, sir. Chalo. Let us start. Let us start quickly with the first question of the day, sir. Sir, acha, first things first, all are CGL PYQs this time. Every question, and I have taken most of the questions, they are very recent, 22, 23, 24, वही मिला के मैंने लिया है. Reena, thank you so much for the confirmation, Reena. Sir, first question is this one, sir. So again, I'll give you 30-40 seconds. So again, please solve, and we will, then I'll solve. Chalo, sir, quickly, sir, let's start. Let us start, sir. First question, sir. Everyone, let's start as quickly as possible, sir. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Very quickly. Any answers? Arghamita has given one answer as 30. Let's see. 10 more seconds remaining. Time up. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Let's see the solution. Equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle, inside a circle. Sir, that means, sir, again, all the questions today are quite good. Okay? All the questions are quite good questions. Chalo, sir. Looks good. अच्छा, equilateral, अच्छा एक काम करो sir. Let's do one thing. इसको सर और थोड़ा equilateral बनाते हैं सर. ठीक है सर? This looks equilateral. Now center is O, sir. Center is, sir, O. So triangle ABC is inscribed. A, B, and C. D is a point on the minor arc of BC. Minor arc BC, there is a point D. Find the measure of angle BCD, sir. Find the measure of angle BCD, sir. So I'm just adding these 2 points. So they are asking us to find the angle this. Find this particular angle, sir. Reena is saying 20. Okay, Reena is saying 20. Chalo. Sir, understand one thing, please. Please understand one thing, sir. At the end of the day, A, B, D, C, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, sir. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, sir. So, chodo, sir. Acha, CBD is given. CBD, this angle is given, sir. This is 40 degree. Sir, let's see. Sir, first things first, can I say, sir, this is 60 degree? Because this is ABC is an equilateral triangle. So all the angles are 60, sir. So this is 60. This is also 60 degree. And we already know, sir, if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, so the opposite angles, they are supplementary. Meaning, sir, sum of this angle plus this angle has to be 180 degree. Meaning, sir, 60 and 40, 100 gone. So this total angle must be 80 degree. Sir, 60 gone from here. So this remaining angle, sir, has to be, sir, 20 degree. This remaining angle has to be, sir, 20 degree. So my answer is option number 3, 20. So Reena was correct. Reena was correct. Yes, Bhavna, very good evening. 20 is your correct answer. Very good everyone. Perfect. So Arghamita, there was a minor glitch in the question, like minor glitch in the solution. I hope you have understood this. I hope this is absolutely clear. Again, this is most probably 2023 CGL. Most probably, okay. All the questions today are from CGL PYQs and very recent questions. I've tried to keep it between 22 and 24, 22, 23, 24. Perfect, sir. Chalo, sir. Let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. Again, sir, geometry. Again, I'm giving you few seconds to solve. 40 seconds time. Sir, quickly solve, sir. Quickly solve, sir. Quickly solve, sir. Quickly. Jaldi se banao, sir. Because all the questions are good questions today, not very easy questions. So it might take us some time to like explain. Any answers? Any answers, sir? 10 seconds. Done, sir. 40 seconds. I have not got any answers as of now. Chalo, sir, let's see. Good question. Very good quality question, sir. Triangle PQR, there is 190 degree. Chalo, sir, ठीक है. Sir, which angle is 90? Q. So this is Q, sir. So I am taking PQR. Tan R. R means at this angle, sir. That is 1/3, sir. That means tan R means, sir, this is 1, this is 3, sir. Right? And if this is this, then this is, sir, can I say root over of 10? Be a little quick, sir. Why? Because 3 squared 9 plus 1 squared 1, root over of 9 plus 1, that is 10, sir. So I have found my triangle, the length of this particular triangle. Now they are asking, chalo, sir. Arey, this is CAC kya? Cos hoga. Just a second. Just a minor second. There is most probably one silly mistake. Just a second, okay? I have the exact question, actual question with me. Let me just correct it. कौन सा वाला था, sir? This is cosec C. And you see, this is also cosec. ठीक है? Sec P, cos R plus sin P, cosec R, sin R minus cosec P. ठीक है, sir. Options, let's see. देख लेते हैं, sir, पहले. Sir, sec P. What is the value of sec P, sir? Cos P, let's figure out, sir. P means, sir, this angle. Cos means this thing by this thing, sir. So root 1 divided by root 10. So sec will be, sir, only root 10 opposite into, sir. Cos R plus sin P. Cos R plus sin P, sir. Sir, please understand now, if you can like do a little bit of work, sir. If एक छोटा सा काम करें, sir, थोड़ा जल्दी कर पाओगे? If you guys know the basics, sir, here P and R, na, sir, they are complementary angles. P plus R is 90 degree. Understand my point, what I'm trying to say here. This will be much easier. We can skip on a lot of values, sir. So sec P and cosec R will be, sir, same. Because, sir, P plus R is same. So cosec P will be, sir, sec R. Sec P will be, sir, cosec R. So these two are same. I can cancel them. And, sir, cos R and, sir, sin P, both are, sir, same again. Why? Because P and R are this. So I can either write 2 cos R, or if someone wants, like he or she can write 2 sin P. Both are actually same, sir. दोनों ही, like either you can change this, keep this, you can change this, keep this, whatever you need. Sir, sin R cos cosec P, sir. Acha. Now here I cannot do anything. Here I cannot use like whatever those things, sir. Chalo, sir. So sin R value, let's figure out, sir. R is this. Sin will be, sir, 1 divided by root 10 minus cosec P, sir. Meaning sin P, let's figure out. Sin P will be, sir, 3 divided by root 10. So it will be, sir, root 10 divided by 3, sir. I'm hoping that there is no any other mistake. Pata nahi. Sir, and this is 2 cos r. Cos r is how much, sir? R is this. So cos r will be, sir, 3 divided by root 10, sir. Let's calculate now, sir. 6 divided by root 10. Over here, sir, 3 root 10 is the LCM. So 3 minus 10, sir. Root 10 cancels. 3 will go up. So this is 18 divided by minus 7. You seen option में है क्या? Yes. Option number 4. So there was no other printing mistake. No other printing mistake, sir. Again, sir, is this clear? Is this clear? This type of question was first asked in CGL 2020, COVID year. Then after that, they have asked this very type at least twice, 2 to 3 times, sir. At least twice, minimum twice, sir. So a little lengthy, but again, if you have this concept, you can shorten a little bit. You can shorten your solutions by just that little bit. So Sindhuja, you are absolutely correct, Sindhuja. Very, very, very good. Very good. Everyone clear, sir? Everyone? Yes, Arghamita, your answer is also clear. Absolutely perfect. Clear na, sir, this? Moving on, sir. Trigonometry, again a question, sir. 40 seconds time. Achha, I can keep on giving you the exam name, like the exam names as well, if you want, because I have the actual questions with me. This is a CGL 23P. Tier 1, okay, that is I'm writing P. It's easier to write. It is easier to write, sir. Chalo, sir. Arghamita, Sindhuja, Bhavna, everybody is saying 2, 2, 2. 2 means option 2 or 2. I'm hoping this 2. Dekhte, sir. Let's see, na, sir. Sir, sine theta plus cos theta. Sine theta minus cos theta. Now, please understand one very simple thing, sir. Understand one very simple thing. There are 2 ways to go. Let me show you both. Sir, here they are asking this, and in none of the options they have theta mentioned anywhere. Meaning, sir, whatever this value will be, it is independent of theta, sir. Nagasri, Kamal, yes, let's understand, let's learn a little bit, sir. So, whatever this solution might be, sir, it is completely independent of theta, sir. Right? There is no theta involved here. So first, let us do like the practical, the methodical way. Then we'll use some ulta seedha ways. Sir, can I write from this sine theta plus cos theta? It is equal to r by 15. But sir, I need r square by 15 square. Meaning, sir, whole square. Meaning, sir, this thing also square. From here, sir, again s by 16 will be sine theta minus cos theta. I'm writing it here. Sine theta minus cos theta whole square, sir. It will be, sir, s square by 16 square. Because that is the what they're asking. So now if I add these 2 equations as they have asked us to do in the, like what they have asked, sir, you see there is a very simple thing going. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, sir. The formula for this was 2 times a square plus b square. Meaning, sir, this thing, I can write, sir, this thing equal to r square by 15 square plus s square by 16 square. Will be, sir, 2 times a square. A is, sir, sine theta, b is, sir, this theta, cos theta. So sine square theta, a square plus b square, sir. Right, sir? So this, everybody knows this to be 1, sir. So the answer to your question is 2. So each and every one of you guys were absolutely correct. Each and everywhere. Yes, Bhavna, that is what I'm going there. That is my next method actually. So this is your practical first method. Now, sir. Now, another way to think about this question, sir. this exact thing, we understood. He said this has, the options are this. That means this has nothing to do with theta. So whatever is this is independent of theta. Theta does not even matter. So if something that doesn't matter, so I will put any value of my choice as theta because it doesn't matter. So can I simply say, bhai, arey, ruko. So here 90 or 0, you can put anything. You put either 0, 90, like you can put 0, 90, 30, 45, 60, anything. But sine and cos hai na, sir. So it is best, it is easier if I put either 0 or 90. So let's put 0 na, sir. Sine 0 gone, sir. 0 I put, so sine 0 gone, sir. Cos is 1, sir. So r equal to r square, or rather let's write r equal to, sir, 15. Please understand why? Because cos 0 is, sir, 1, 15 into 1 is 15, sir. And from here I can see s is how much, sir? S will be, sir, you see, sine theta gone, sir. 16 into this is 1, so minus 1. So it is minus 16. Sir, put your values here. R square is 15 square by 15 square. S square means, sir, minus 16 square by 16 square. Sir, 16 square and minus 16 square is the same thing. Here 1 and this is also 1. So answer is 1 plus 1, 2, sir. So if you don't want to solve trigonometry, this is also another way to think. But again, you have to understand why we are being able to do this, because the options are giving me clear-cut indication that this thing does not, the theta, this value will be, sir, theta independent. Perfect, perfect, everyone. Chalo, sir. Again, if you guys are liking the session, I'll request you guys to please hit that like so that it gets a little bit more reach. That's all. Sir, next one, sir. Very, very, very good question. Again, if you want the exact exam name, this question is a CGL 2024 question. This is a CGL 2024 question. Now, there are many ways, that to figure out, but I will give you a very simple method, sir. I will give you a very simple method, but before that, anyone can solve. Sir, here the answer will be 25 plus 32. See, na, that will be the answer. Karke dekho, sir. So 5 plus 2, 7. 57 is the answer, sir. Anyone, sir. Anyone, sir. 57 aaya kisi ka? Anyone got 57? There is some issue with the comment section. I don't know why. I have to I'm refreshing it time and time again. Then only I'm getting 39D. No, Nagasri, I don't think 39. 25 plus, I told you, 25 plus 32. 25, 7 and 24. 25 hota hai, sir. Nagasri, I don't think. 25 plus 32, meaning answer will be, sir, 57. At least that is what I'm thinking. Let's solve. I might be wrong. Let's solve. Let us solve, sir. Sir, remember one thing before I solve this. Sine of anything, theta. Theta can be anything. Kuch bhi le lo, sir. Anything between minus infinite to plus infinite. Same goes for cos. Their value can always be confined between these. They cannot go beyond. So the graph actually looks like this, sir. Sine ka graph aisa dikhta hai, sir. So this is plus 1 and this is, sir, minus 1. ये थोड़ा अच्छा होगा ऐसे, ठीक है. Cos actually is इधर से start होता है, sir. Okay. Now, you guys don't need it. I'm just giving you the way, idea, nothing else. You do not need graphs, ठीक है. You do not actually need graphs. But again, just understand the value. It is kind of wavy. It is somewhere between plus 1 to minus 1. It cannot go beyond plus 1. It cannot go below minus 1. So it is the only thing. So now what I need to do, convert this, because this 32 is a constant. I don't need to worry about that. उसको सर रखो. Sir, this thing, sir, can you write this as 7 divided always by, sir, 7 and 24. So think, sir, there is a triangle somewhere having 7 and 24 like this. So this is always a 25 because it's a triplet, sir. So divide by this thing, sir, 25 into, sir, cos A plus 24 by 25, sir, sin A. Can I write it like this now? If I'm dividing by 25, I must multiply 25 as well. And last में से 32 भी है. Everyone, this line is clear, sir. From this line, what I've done, I've divided. So I've taken 25 common. So meaning I have divided by 25 here, 25 here. Works, na, sir? That is what I've just written. That is what I have just written, sir. Sir, remember, I don't know this. I'm saying this angle is phi, sir. Just for our understanding. So 7 by 25 will be what, sir? 7 by 25. Can I say this is, sir, this looks like sine phi, sir. Altitude by, sir, hypo into, sir, cos A. 24 by 25 is what, sir? Base by, sir, hypo. That is, sir, cos phi, sir, into sine A. Plus 32. Again, don't worry, I'll give you the shortcut as well. But again, this is how the shortcut actually comes. 25. This is sine A cos B, cos A sine B. So this is sine A plus B formula, sir. A plus phi or phi plus A, whatever you want to write. You understand now, sir. This is what? This is what you have gotten. This is what you have gotten here. This thing, this particular thing is equal to this particular thing. Sir, sine, I need what? I need maximum value, sir. Maximum value of any sine theta can be what, sir? What can be the maximum value of any sine theta? Sir, that is always 1. So this thing can have this maximum value of this can be only 1. So maximum value of this entire expression 25 times 1 plus 32. So maximum value can be, sir, 25 times 1 plus 32. That is 57, sir. That is your answer. Now, sir, shortcut. Shortcut actually comes from here. Sir, you understand, brothers? If there is something A cos theta, rather, let's not take this color. ये color बहुत गंदा है, sir. A cos theta plus B sin theta. If you see something like this. Now, cos theta, sin theta can interchange. This is commutative, no worries. So the first thing you are doing, you see what we are doing? Root over of A square plus B square I'm dividing with. Because that was our hypotenuse. Root over of 7 square plus 24 square is 25. So you see, and I need to take that as common. So this value, always remember, it is plus of root over of A square plus B square, and the minimum value is, sir, minus of root over of A square plus B square. Remember this. It does not matter whether sine here, cos here, whether they have interchanged their positions. Whether they have interchanged their position. Arkamita, you don't need angle. Sir, have you finished trigonometry? Reena, I have to see. No, 2.0 I don't think. Or maybe it might be. I have to check, Reena. You will get the paid students ke liye you will get the recordings, but again 3.0 it will come again. It will come again in like I guess very shortly only. So again you will get access. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will get the live classes. So this is the logic, sir. Now you see, if you were an advanced students, now the question, how did I say within seconds ki 57 is the answer? Sir, I checked, sir, this is A, this is B, you see, sir. Compare with that, sir. So this particular value, the maximum means I'll take the plus 1. So 7 square plus 24 square root over, that is this value, maximum value is 25, minimum value is, sir, minus 25. So now plus 32 is there. So answer is this, sir. Maximum. Now if that asked, what about minimum? If the question was find out the minimum value, sir, You will say, sir, minimum for this is minus 25 plus 32. So minimum will be, sir, minus 25 plus 32. Because this 32 cannot do anything. ये तो constant है. This is constant. So this is, in that case, the answer will be, sir, 7. That is your minimum value. And maximum value is, sir, this. That is 57, sir. Absolutely clear, sir. Absolutely clear, sir. Now, again, after doing all this, this is how that shortcut actually comes. I'm a big believer. Do not remember anything for which you don't have explanation. अगर मैं पूछ लिया सर how, like, why are you saying this? सर ये सर ने बताया था. No, that is not good enough. You need to understand why. You may not be able to solve. You may not be able to kind of prove everything every time. It's okay. You are not becoming a teacher. I'm not asking you guys to do that. But at least have, if I say this, you will say, I know. Back of the mind, you have this. You know the reason. Perfect, sir. Next question. Algebra. Algebra, sir. Next question, sir. Algebra. Please solve. Please solve, sir. Please solve. Please solve. Sir, 40 seconds. 40 seconds, sir. Should not take you more than that. You guys should not take more than that. And someone is... So again, just a quick thing, everyone. Anytime you get stuck, you don't understand even the smallest of the things, please feel free to ask. Okay? This is a buffet. You don't get what you don't ask. You ask me, sir, I didn't understand this. Please explain. Explain. I'll be more than happy to explain that twice, thrice. No answers as of now. No answers. 1 minute हो गया, sir. It should not take you that much time. अरे यार, रुको. This is the problem with this software. कभी कभी गड़बड़ करता है. Once I give timer. Sir, this is given. Sir, there's a small printing mistake. अरे मैंने नहीं देखा. This bracket won't be there, sir. This bracket won't be there. X. I guess that was the reason you guys were not being able to solve this. रुको मैं एक बार check कर लेता हूँ. Let me check this once. Should not solve. We should not solve anything जिसका बाद में जाके रुको. I have the questions. This is question number 5 ना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Both are minus x square plus 1 by x square. 625, 731, 729, 727. Yeah, it's okay. It's correct. It's correct. Sir, always in these type of questions, for like those who have learned from me, sir, this is where you need to bring. So this is by which you need to divide. Middle value always. So divided by, sir, root x. So it becomes root x. X divided by root x is root x. Root x cancels. This is 5. And this is 1 divided by root x. That is equal to 0. 0 by anything is 0 only. So root x minus 1 by root x, it is equal to 5, sir. Sir, if I know this, sir, there was something like this. X minus 1 by x is equal to p. Say, for example, I need to figure out x square plus 1 by x square. What do we do, sir? What do we do as I'm showing you basics? So do the squaring. So if from here I get a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b equal to, sir, p square. So this is gone, so this 2 goes that side. So x square plus 1 by x square becomes, sir, p square plus 2, sir. This is very, very, very important. If you have not remembered this, please remember. Sir, ye laga do, sir. So now if I take square of this and square of this, what I'll get? Root x square means x only. So I'll get to, sir, x plus 1 by x. and that will be, sir, p square plus 2. 5 square plus 2 is, sir, 27. Again, sir, the logic, sir, if instead of minus, if it is x plus 1 by x is given as p, then, sir, x square plus 1 by x square becomes p square. Instead of this plus, it becomes a minus 2. The proof, same, just use whole, like do the whole square, you will get it. So now I have this, I need x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square will be, say, 27 square minus 2. 27 square minus 2 means, sir, 727 is the answer. Option number 4, sir. Option number, sir, 4. Yes, yes, absolutely. So many correct answers. So many correct answers. Argamita, Dina, artist, आ गया, Bhavna, Sindhuja. Perfect, perfect. Everyone, the answers are correct. Answers are absolutely correct. Right? So again, this is just for understanding. Do not. नेट का कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या सर? I'm having some buffering issue. पता नहीं. Sir, very, 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 very good question, sir. Very, very, very good question. Again, if you want to know which the exam is this is from CGL 2022. From pre only. Chalo, let me give you a few seconds. Forty seconds. Please solve, sir. Please solve, sir. Beautiful, beautiful question, this one. Beautiful question. Done, sir. Time up, sir. Any answers? Artist has given -6. Achha, sorry, 0.6. Achha, 0.6. Artist, please tell me your name now, brother. It's very, very okay. It's very, very awkward. It's a very innovative name, I must say. But again, calling someone artist, it's very like awkward. So please tell me your name. I'll call you by your name. Okay. That. Sameer. Sameer is better. Sameer is better. Much better name. इतना अच्छा name है. A swimmer swims from a point P against the current for 6 minutes and then swims back along the current for the next 6 minutes and reaches at a point Q. Acha, sir. So there are so many ways to think. Let's think like this. Sir, a swimmer, say this, he started swimming from a point. Acha, kaam karo. A swimmer started swimming from a point. Right, sir? So this is point P, sir. Now this is against the current, sir. Meaning, sir, if his speed is x, so it is upstream, sir, x minus y. The speed is, sir, x minus y. Y is like the speed of the stream. Now, sir, what is happening? Now he comes back for 6 minutes. Now you tell me, if he comes back, if he actually comes back, sir, ye thoda. Now it looks good, better. Right? If he comes back, so he comes back and reaches a point Q. Now, this here, the speed is, sir, x plus y. Why? Because he is returning along the current, sir. Y is the speed of the current. Speed of the current, they are asking, the meaning they are asking us the y speed, the value of y. And both has, like they both have traveled a distance. They both have traveled like for 6 minutes. 6 minutes ke liye hi they have traveled. And please understand one thing, it is kind of not given, but it is, you have to understand, sir, whatever distance this swimmer will go against the stream in 6 minutes, along the stream he will go more distance because his speed is more. So he will also go more distance only, sir. So that is why Q will be towards this side. This figure is very, very important to understand. This figure is, sir, very, very, very important to understand, sir. Now, this is given as 120 meters. Now solve, sir. Now solve, sir. They are asking what? The value of y. Value of y, sir. The value of y, sir. The value of y, sir. So, anyone? Vigneshwar, अरे क्या है? Sir, think like this. Please think like this, sir. If we are talking only about this portion, he has gone with a speed of x like minus y. This portion, he has gone with a speed of x plus y. Now see, the easiest way to think, the easiest if you ask me, sir, how much distance he has gone? How much distance he has gone downstream? Sir, 6 minutes into, sir, x plus y. Now here I am taking these xy values, the speeds in meter per minutes. These x and y values, these I am taking in meter per minute unit. Please understand, because at the end they are asking that in kilometer per hour. So we have to convert. Keep that in mind. So this much distance is what? This is the distance from here to here. 6 minutes into speed of that. And sir, what is this distance, sir? P to this point, meaning whatever he has gone up in upstream direction, sir. Sir, again 6 minutes time is same into, sir, x minus y. Now they have told you कि भाई देखो, this distance is this distance plus 120 meters. Plus, sir, 120 meters. So again you can say, sir, then तो बहुत simple हो गया. 6x plus 6y, it is equal to 6x minus 6y plus 120. Sir, 6, come on. You keep this to this side. 12y equal to, sir, 120. Y is equal to 10, sir. Sir, वही पूछा था, but again, I need to change the unit. Sir, now how to change? Because ये minutes का चक्कर है. Minutes to kilometer, I know minute to meter per second to kilometer per hour, 18/5. But इसको कैसे करेंगे, sir? Let's see, na, sir. 1 meter per minute. I'll convert this. Okay, you see. Understand how unit conversion works. So this means, sir, 1 meter divided by, sir, 1 minute. Now I need to convert this. I need to convert this meter to kilometer. So meter, in what way will get kilometer, sir? Sir, we will divide this by 1000. And I will convert this minute to hours, sir. So I will convert this by multiplying 60, meaning dividing by 60, that 60 will be getting multiplied. So ho gaya, sir. This is your converting factor, 3/50, sir. So the answer will be, sir, 10 here. 10 into, sir, this thing 3 divided by 50. Third law calculation, so 3/5. That means 0.6 kilometer per hour. So any conversion factor you can figure out like this. This is, I should write 3/50 kilometer per hour, sir. Now, Vignesh, brother, it's not something. It is not difficult. This is very simple. This is very simple, brother. You see, Reena has asked you. Reena has told you. Again, feel free to join. Join us. It's, see, all of us trying our best so that you guys can get selection. Dekho bhai, let me say one thing very blunt. We all get paid. No teacher works for free. No, nobody actually in the world works for free. You get selected in CGL, you will work for free? No, right? So absolutely. But again, there are certain things which are very far from the commercials, the monetary things, right? That is something in for a teacher, that is satisfaction. If say you get selected, so that will be kind of the level of satisfaction that we all get when us, like one of our students get selected. That's unparalleled. So whoever in whichever channel, whichever platform is teaching, so that satisfaction only teachers can express. When two teachers talk about among themselves, now they can understand each other. The feeling that is very difficult to kind of express. So again, I'm saying, please, can with ratio it can be done? Prerna, yes, it might be. It might be Prerna, because you can say, because the time is same, na sir. So time is same. If time is same, na, so speed ratio is equal to distance ratio. So you can say x plus y by x minus y will be whatever distance. But again, I need another equation. Prerna, you can do it, but again, there you will get two equations. So one equation I can make, sir, x plus y by x minus y. And if I say this distance is d, so d divided by this will be, sir, x plus y, acha, d plus 120 by sir d. So you can make this equation. But again, sir, there are so many variables. So for that you like will need like couple of more equations. But again, that will be more and more complicated, right? Now you can do it easier actually. Actually, you can do one step ahead. You can go one step ahead, and if you can understand this, you see this way in the over here. This way x is working. This way x is working. So it will get cancelled if you can think. So directly you can say कि here only y will work. The equation will be only of y because x is getting cancelled. Na? That we can say like very certainly if you have understood the concept of bottom stream. ये देखो, because directions are opposite. X will cancel each other. And y and minus of minus y will become plus y. So it will be 2 times y actually. It will become 2 times y. Perfect, everyone. Perfect now. You see, that is what happened. You see 6y and this 6y came in this side. So I'm saying, you see, 2 times y I can write directly. But ratio method will be a little complicated for this question. Perfect. Chalo sir, chalo sir. Let's do it. A tourist bus starts from same point, move along 2 roads at right angles. Achha, this is also like question from current year or 2023. मैं बता देता हूँ. Now this is 2022. CGL 22. Very, very good question. Yes, Prerna, that's one. Yes, Raghamita, that's the problem. That is the problem. They are going. Move along 2 roads at right angles. This is the problem, no? This is the problem. Man, I told you in the beginning, now today we'll solve, we might solve in terms of numbers, in terms of quantity a little less number of questions, but all the questions are of high quality, not even a single bad question, right, sir? Same point, move along 2 roads. Okay, so say for example, they have started from here. One is moving in this direction, another is moving in this direction, sir. Sir, one speed is 48 kilometer per hour, sir. One is, sir, 36 kilometer per hour, sir. Distance between them after 15 seconds. So they after 15 seconds, I'm saying, chalo, they have reached this point. This bus has reached this point. This bus has reached this point. Sir, how much they will travel in 15 seconds? Sir, how much they will travel in 1 second? So speed converting factor was, sir, 48 into 5 divided by 18. This is the conversion factor, meter per second. Sir, into how many seconds, sir? Into, sir, 15 seconds. Please understand this. Sir, 18 means 3 and 6. 3 से ये गया तो 5, 6, 8 are this. So 5 5s are 25 into this is a 200. 200 meters, sir. Answer can be 250, sir. Answer should be 250 at least. Why? Sir, 175 नहीं हो सकता sir. 150 नहीं हो सकता. Why? Please understand. In any right angle triangle, please understand, the hypotenuse is the distance. You see, they are asking the distance between them after. So that means this distance they are asking hypotenuse. One bus is here, one bus is here. So this is hypotenuse. It cannot be less than 200 because I got one side to be 200. So my answer has to be greater than 200, these two. And sir, I am thinking in my head. देखो कैसे सोचा जाता है. I am thinking in my head, sir, there might be, just might be somewhat of a Pythagorean triplet forming. And 250 is 200 and 250 is part of a Pythagorean triplet. Let's see now, sir. Let's see now, sir. 36 kilometer per hour. You will say that is 5 by 18 meter per second into 15 seconds, sir. 18 twos are this, 15 fives are this, so 150, sir. Sir, देखो sir, Pythagorean triplet आ गया, sir. So this distance is 150 meters. Sir, 15, 20 and 25 is a Pythagorean triplet. So this will be, sir, 250 meters. The answer is option number 3, sir. The answer is, sir, option number 3. Now, sir, now. Let me say one very simple thing. Dekho, or how can we reduce our work even more? Sir, once we got this 200 now, sir, understand, sir. Sir, if the time is constant, if time for both is same, sir, speed ratio and distance ratio are same. Speed and distance is same, sir. So speed ratio here, sir, 3 12s are this, 4 12s are this. The ratio is 3 by 4. So this is 4, this is 3. You can say without doing calculation, you can say 4 is 200, like 3 is this. Or rather, you can say like this, sir. This is 3, this is 4. So this must be 5, Pythagorean triplet. Sir, 4 is 200, 5 is 250. That is my answer. So you can incorporate some ratio technique also in here. Now, whichever you feel comfortable. Whichever you feel comfortable, brothers. जिसमें आपको सही लगे, sir. Whichever you feel comfortable. Perfect, everyone. You know, I am doing some difficult questions, but again, please try to understand in, and if there is somewhere, anywhere you are getting stuck, please ask me. I'll be more than happy to explain. Pipes. Pipe and cistern. This is a relatively easier. This is a relatively easier question, sir. Sir, 40 seconds time. Quickly, sir. पता नहीं what has happened to YouTube. So much problem with this thing ना. चलो sir. A tank can be filled by pipe A 4 hours, 6 hours. Done. No formulas will use. We will not be using any formulas. That's not the correct way. Think logical ways, sir. We'll see. Pipe A can fill in 4 hours. Same problem. Na? This happens every time I use the time. Sir, pipe A, sir, in 4 hours. Pipe B, sir, in 6 hours. So let's figure out their efficiencies. Sir, A and B, efficiency of these two pipes. Sir, these are time. Sir, we know, sir, if you know the basics of time and work or pipe and cistern, efficiency ratio and time ratio, they are opposite. So if time ratio is 4:6, efficiency ratio will be, sir, 1/4 ratio 1/6. Inverse of the time ratio. This is, sir, efficiency ratio, ER. So you can calculate, sir, this is 6:4 or 3:2, sir. Meaning what I'm assuming, A can fill 3 liters of water in 1 hour and B can fill 2 liters of water in 1 hour. Sir, what is total volume, sir? Total volume will be what, sir? Either you take A or you take B. Why? A is taking 4 hours. Every hour A fills 3 liters. In 4 hours, A will fill 3 into 2, 3 into 4, 12 liters. You can do it by B as well. B fills 2 liters every hour. B takes 6 hours. So 6 into 2, that is also 12. Anything goes. Both actually works. Now the actual question starts from here. This was prerequisite. ये तो हमने कर लिया. थोड़ा समझो सर. Let's think. 8 a.m. pipe A is opened. Pipe B is opened at 9. Then what? Like when will the tank be full? चलो सर. समझते हैं सर. Sir, this is 8 a.m. Pipe A was opened. Sir, this is 9 a.m. This is when pipe B was also opened. And this is when the tank was full tank. Okay, sir? Now that means, please understand why I've written like I've suddenly drawn a figure. Sir, understand, sir, from 9 a.m. to that particular time, can I say both A plus B is working, sir? And sir, from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. for this 1 hour, only, sir, A is working. Only A is filling, sir. Think like this. So that means, sir, how much water will be like filled in this 1 hour? Sir, A fills 3 liters in 1 hour. So 3 liters is filled. Total, sir, 12 liters I need to fill because that is the tank volume. So that means in these hours from 9 a.m. to whatever time, I need to fill 9 liters. Now, who is filling this 9 liter? A and B together, sir. A and B, if they work together, A fills 3, B fills 2. So they fill how much, sir? They fill, sir, 5 liters of water together. 5 liters of water they fill together. So 9 liters they will fill in how many hours? These many hours, sir. Right? 9 total divided by efficiency. So 9 by 5 means why girlfriend wala question. So multiply to 1.8 hours. So tank will be full when? Sir, 1.8 hours from 9 a.m. Sir, 1.8 hours ka matlab 1 hour to everybody knows 0.8 means 8 by 10. Multiplicating factor here is 60, sir, because this many hours into minutes means into 60. 48 minutes. So 9 a.m. then 1 hour 48 minutes. So 10:48 तक सब कुछ भर के ready. 10:48 will be the answer, sir. Option number 3. Option number 3. Option number 3. Is this clear, sir? You see, very, very, very simple. Again, if you want which question, which year was this? ये था हम लोगों का CGL 24, this one. CGL 24. Garma-garam question, sir, this one. This was bilkul, sir, garma-garam question. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, na, sir? Chalo, sir. Let's do one more. Beautiful, beautiful question. In concept question, sir. In concept question, sir. Again, if you want, sir, which exam, वो भी मैं बता सकता हूँ, sir. This is CGL 22, sir. Actually, I asked my typist to like include the years. भूल गया शायद. Everyone, please solve. I'm not giving the timer. वो timer का वो problem है software का. अच्छा, Bhavna has already given answer. Very, very good. Impressive speed, Bhavna. Very, very good. Again, right, wrong, I don't know. मेरे को idea नहीं है answer का. But again, at least you have given. That means you have solved something, right? And hopefully it will be correct. It will be hopefully correct. Reena is also saying 75. Very impressive, sweet. Very, very impressive. Sir, in concept questions, do not remember any formula. Sir, think. Average age of 6 members of a family is 40 years. 6 members in a family. Sir, average age is, sir, 40 years. Understand me? If the age of a guest, is included, the average value, acha, this is, sir, 1 by 8. For those, if you don't know, again, this is percentage to fraction. This should be as fluent as your name. 12.5%, they'll say 1 by 8. This is the level of preparation we need. So that means it increased by 1/8. 1/8 means 1/8 of 40 years. 1/8 of 40 years means it increased by 5 years. It has increased by 5 years actually, right? So it has increased by 5 years, the average. So meaning now there are 7 members in the family. Now there are 7 members in the family and the average age is, sir, 45 years. Now do not use that method. So now the age is 7 into 45. Previously the age was 6 into 40. Minus kar do, mil jayega. Yes, that method works. But the problem with that method is, if these values are not so good, if the values has decimal vagera inside, ho gaya, sir. Okay, so then that method won't work. So speed is also one of our key factors over here. So we need to maintain speed as well. So for that, I always say, in these questions, you need to ask yourself 3 questions. If you can ask yourself these 3 questions, and if you can give the correct answer to these 3 questions, your question is solved. Sir, average age increased by 5 years. First question you ask yourself, sir, why? Kyun badh gaya, sir? First question that you ask yourself is, sir, why? Why the average age has increased by this 5 years? Tell me. Why? So the answer to that question is, sir, it means, sir, that means the guest, this particular guest is like me, mota, right? This particular guest weighs heavier. This particular, age hai na, sorry, not like me. So this particular age, particular guest is, sir, older, sir. Meaning his age is more. The age of the guest is more, sir. Right? I cannot see your comments. इसीलिए ना गड़बड़. रुको ना. Yes. So the age of this particular guest is more, sir. Now, second question. By how much? It is older. Age is more. By how much? Sir, it is. His age is so much more that it is causing a 5-year increase to each and every member of the family. It is causing an increase of 5 years to the age of each and every member. So other than that person himself, every 6 members, other than himself, सबका एज 5 साल से बढ़ जा रहा है. Everybody's age is increasing by 5 years. So how much more, sir? For 1% 5 years, for 6% this many years. This is the second question. By how much it is more? The third question, it is more by these many years. The third question is than what? Than what? Than the average age. Now there is a big problem. Many students I see, they have a problem, sir, whether to take this average age or to take this average age. They are very confused. So especially in, out, because these things change. So I'm giving you one very, very unique way. Sir, like whose age you are finding? Sir, I am finding the age of this guest. So whenever this person whose age I'm finding, that person was included in the group. This person was included in the group, I will take that average age. When this person was part of the group, it does not matter whether it's an in problem, someone is coming in or someone is going out. Always take that average. When that person whose age, weight, whatever I'm counting, that person was in. So when that person was included, that means I need to take this average, sir. So add that, sir. That's your answer. That is the age of that person. 30 and 45, that is 75 years. So the answer is, sir, option number 3. So all of you guys were absolutely correct. Bhavna, Reena, Arghamita and Sameer, I guess naam tha artist ka. Sameer, right? Yes, brother. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But again, I'm saying this again and again and again and again. Please, please, please understand this logic. Very, very, very important. CGL में this type asks, they ask in type, out type and replacement type. From average, these 3 type of questions are very important. So in this one, out means one person will leave the group and there is replacement. Replacement means a substitution, meaning one person will go out, in that case, like in his place or in her place, another new person will join. Perfect, sir. So again, so I'm ending the session then today here, because there is another, like, faculty will take class. The Shefali ma'am ka class hai, I guess, right? Shefali ma'am ka class hai. So again, so like you guys will be like joining that class, I guess. So again, I told you we did a little less number of questions. So quantity was less today, quality was more. So again, I always say focus more on quality. Yes, Reena, don't worry. Thank you so much. Anything actually works. This works every time. Always remember these 3 questions. Why, by how much, and then what. 3 questions, you get your answers. Always. Any of this type questions you can solve like this. Okay, sir? Perfect. Okay. Now again, thank you so much everyone for watching. I will attach the other questions that I have taken. Like either with today's slide or I'll include that in the next day's slide. Okay. So I'll attach that so that you guys can get those questions as a practice. All are CGL PYQ. So you will definitely have some idea or some good practice. So again, thank you so much. Again, just before you guys go, or before even I go, just a quick announcement. Just a very, very quick announcement. We have recently launched our booster batch. Okay. This is targeted towards those students who has the basic level of preparation, or who has done 1 or a couple of years of preparation, taken a break, wants to resume, restart. So this batch is for them. Or if you are someone who already have the basic level preparation, you want to create that edge, these techniques that I've just showing you, right? The small shortcuts, not exactly shortcuts, conceptual shortcuts, I should say. So if you want to learn these things, you can feel free. Please feel free to join this batch. Here you will have 350 plus live classes and everything. But again, everything I'll say, it's better you go for an elite subscription. Why? Because this is part of elite, and also we'll be launching. There are many batches in the pipeline, practice batches, crash courses, everything. Okay? Kuruba, absolutely. Harish, definitely. I come every day. Every day, actually, I come at 5 p.m. on YouTube, apart from Saturdays and Sundays. And also, if you guys want, you can join my live course. This is completely free for everyone. Every Saturday, there is no YouTube. So every Saturday at 10 a.m. I take classes live on our oliveboard platform. Anyone can access. So definitely you guys can feel free to watch out. And if you have any topic request, or please take a class on this topic, please do let me know. I'll include this in one of those. Include your request in one of the upcoming classes. Every Saturday I take classes at 10 a.m. and you have access the recordings of the previous. So this I've been doing for almost 3 months now. So all the class recordings are available. There are very, very important topics there. You can also go and watch those classes. So again, thank you so much. I'll again see you guys tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Till then, please take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.